my name is Nur Shazrina binti Yaakob and my matrix number is 264562, and I'm gonna explain about domestic violence.
What is domestic violence? Okay, the Family Violence Prevention Fund has defined or explained the domestic violence means the pattern of assaultive and coercive behaviors, including physical, sexual, and physical attacks, and economic coercion that adults use against their intimate partner. Means that domestic itself define the conflict happen in a house. like in a family. Okay, so we go next that law that government implement to govern this conflict. Okay, in Malaysia we have Law Reform Marriage and Divorce Act where it is applicable for non-Muslim, while Islamic Family Law Federal Territory Act will be applicable to the Muslim. However, each state have different statute for this Islamic family law. Okay, next, the crucial law implement to govern the domestic violence is Domestic Violence Act 1994, or we can call this as DVA. Okay, if someone being abused or facing the domestic violence, the wife, might be if it happened to a wife, the wife might request for a divorce, because she have the right to divorce with her husband. The wife may obtain divorce from the husband by taklik.
So what is taklik? Taklik is a requirement, is a statutory requirement to pronounce by the husband after the solemnization or akad. The subject matter of taklik is the wife. In order for the wife to seek for taklik at the court, in order to the wife to complain to the court that the husband already neglect the maintenance, paying the maintenance, facing the physical violence, domestic violence, or the husband itself desert their wife. So in order to do this, in order to prove this, the court will look at the taklik. So it is a statutory requirement.
Okay, under taklik, there is a case where Dah and Abdullah, where the case is about the husband who hit the wife's breast, and as the result, the wife being admitted. Okay, so the wife made a police report with a medical report which made the court confirm their taklik divorce. So means that the court agree with their divorce, with their taklik divorce.
What is fasa? Fasa is an option to end a marriage through judicial process. It doesn't matter either by the husband or by the wife. Both can request for fasa to end a marriage. However, the reasons to claim fasa must be acceptable by the Islamic view. It might be because of physical violence, domestic violence, neglecting of paying the maintenance.
We can see the case of Harun and Omar, which is the wife brought medical report that she has been assaulted by her husband. It means like it's not once but twice. However, High Court rejected to grant fasa on the excuse that it is not sufficient to say it was habitual assault. Okay. However, when they appeal, the Court of Appeal grant the fasa to the wife because it is considered as cruelty due to her husband has used violence, and the medical report is sufficient to prove the cruelty itself. What happens if children being abused or facing the domestic violence? Okay, what happens is the hadhanah or the right towards the children will be transferred to other person. Means that court have right to revoke the right of hadhanah at any time if the children facing any kind of domestic violence. Okay, therefore, in order to avoid this revocation or to avoid this transfer of hadhanah, the government or the Islam itself has listed the requirement to obtain hadhanah or to secure the hadhanah. First of all, the guardian need to prove that the child will be loved and cared by the person who qualifies with her or his age to take care of the children. Means that the children will get sufficient care and love. No abuse, no kick, no slap, and nothing about abuse the children. Okay, next is the guardian live in the place where the children will not facing any moral or physical risk. Okay, for example, if the mother living at the house or at the street, the children, or if the mother live at the unknown place, I mean like in a unsecure place without the guarantee that the child will be safe. Therefore, the hadhanah will be revoked.